Hello my people, welcome back to my channel. So today we are making cinnamon rolls. The ingredients, as you can see them on the screen. For my new viewers, please subscribe to my channel and you are much welcome to this channel. For my returning subscribers, thank you guys for your support, for your love, for always showing up on my videos. Please do not forget to like and comment. So guys, this recipe is very simple and easy. Una mix everything, unaeka unga wako na hizo ingredients zako zote kwa pamoja. Hakuna kupoteza time. Unakanda unga wako ndo zikuwe line. Kama uko na machine, you can use the machine to mix the everything, the flour and all the ingredients together. Yeah, so watch the video. Do not forget to subscribe, give me a like if you love this recipe, and comment what else you want to see on my channel. And very easy and simple. After spreading the dough, sasa unaeka cinnamon yako, sukari na blue band umemix, alafu apply kwa hiyo dough, then you cut into sizes, the size you want for the cinnamons. Yeah, like that. Alafu unazipea some minutes, some like 30 to 40 minutes zifure kiasi, alafu weke kwa oven. Mimi niliweka kwa oven, ndo hizo zimeanza kuiva, as you can see. Naona zimefura vizuri, naona zimeiva. My cinnamons are ready. Hii recipe ni very simple, hainanga mambo mingi. Naona zimeiva chini vizuri. Up to this point, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like, and comment anything. You see, they are ready. Alafu hapo nikaeka my condensed milk. Zimeiva, ziko ready to be eaten. Watu wakule sasa. Please try this, you will enjoy. Mnaona vile zimeweza. Easy ni tamu mbaya. Thank you so much for watching. See you to my next video. Bye.